Good afternoon to all of you, all the dignitaries on the dais, of the dais. Myself Vaishali Vadnerkar, librarian, Dhanvati National College, Nagpur, and my co-author is Meenakshi Sontakke. She is the librarian of Ideas Architecture College in Nagpur. My topic is collaborative services through websites of institutional repositories in India and evaluation. So, the technological advances today make it possible to think in terms of storing all the knowledge of the human race in digital form. Several organizations worldwide are experimenting with less expensive ways to archive and disseminate scholarly information and in-house knowledge as institutional repositories. Librarians and computer scientists are working together at MIT for DSpace Digital Asset Management System, which aims to create an institutional repository that will include digitized versions of lecture notes, videos, prepare and datasets. In short, everything produced faculty and staff. What is institutional repository? An institutional repository is a digital archive of the intellectual output of an institution. It makes the quality and breadth of scholarship produced at that institution accessible to others worldwide over the internet. It is a set of services that a university offers to the members of its community for the management and dissemination of digital material created by the institution and its community members. So it is most essentially organizational commitment to the stewardship of the digital materials, including long-term preservation. Institutional repositories in India. The institution have their own repositories which they have built on various open source software like DSpace, Koha. Various institutes had created these digital repositories for testing on trial purpose only and could not maintain the pace to streamline those. Many of them are closed and are not being updated regularly. Total 54 institutional repositories from India which are currently active on the internet. The data is totally based on the internet. Need of the study. In information age, online information services provided every day, every moment in all field of human activity. This study attempts to explore or coverage institutional repositories on internet. This study is surely beneficial to all the library and IT professionals. To study the websites of institutional repositories available on internet in India, to study data available on homepage of institutional repositories in India, to evaluate the websites of institutional repositories in India, and to evaluate the ranking of top of institutional repositories in India. Limitations of the study and evaluations and institutional repositories in India includes a study based on the internet. In India, there are 54 institutional repositories available on internet. Out of this, the study is restricted to 45 institutional repositories. The data available on homepage of institutional repositories in India. Methodology. Data is collected by using the websites of institutional repositories available. The data available on the institutional repositories homepage has been analyzed and interpreted. Findings of the study. State-wise distribution of institutional repositories in India. Contact details on homepage of institutional repositories in India. Content coverage of homepage of institutional repositories in India. Analysis of links supporting navigation on homepage of institutional repositories in India. Conclusions. Growth of institutional repositories is quite satisfactory based on the homepage information and analysis presented in this paper. It is found that there is scope of developing for designing oriented institutional repositories. Quality and quantity of contents are major concerns that need to be addressed for developing institutional repositories. Institutional repositories as component of open access knowledge movement. Institutional repositories are useful tool for collecting, organizing and disseminating intellectual output of an institute, and if properly implemented with the existing practices, institutional repositories has the potential to fulfill many unmet expectations. Some screenshots of institutional repositories in India. The Shodhganga Institutional Repository, Infibinet, say IGNOU. Thank you for all. Thank you for a coordinator to giving me opportunity to present my